What's up, fishing freaks? We're at the place that started off for me. Welcome to Duke Energy Exsplorium. All right, fishing freaks, we are ready to go after the big boys. We are gonna do some good old catfishing today. We have the chicken liver, the bait of the fish's choice, and we're gonna spice things up and put some good old blood in the water, so those predators can come, smell that blood, and they get them going. All right, I'm gonna throw the first caster in to get the boys, the big boy. I like doing this because it's for me, it's power fishing. You know, I like going after the catfish. They can fight, boy, I tell you. They can put up a heck of a fight. That's why I like them so much. And we are gonna sling this bad boy 100 yards. We're gonna Joe Montana this thing. Just gonna sling her out there. And voila, there is your catfish dinner, ready to be served properly. Get me a rod stand and get ready for the showdown. I expect a quick strike. To get some slack in that rod. I gotta hurry up because these boys like to strike quick. I mean, quick in a hurry. When you get that chicken liver on, they ready to chomp down on some good chicken liver. I'll probably get a hit, man, while I'm trying to throw this thing. Now this is the big boy. This is Big Jimmy. Big Jimmy can do some casting. This is my big boy rod. We're gonna launch Big Jim smack dab in the middle. We're gonna sit back and watch the rod action. Homemade stands and watch the dangle show. When I'm out here, I'm like, which rod will strike first? Get some slack. So we're ready. We're just waiting for the beast to strike. So we just chill out till somebody takes a chomper. Gosh, I hate this setup. Now we just sit back, let the rods work for us. Gonna get it popping. I'm expecting a hit soon. With chicken livers on, man, you can expect a hit with this stuff on. Just wait for the beast to strike. And it's rodeo time with catfish, boy. These are some fighting fish, man, I tell you. That's why I like them, because they give me a good fight. It's like being in the ring with a heavyweight boxer. No other fight like this. As far as saltwater goes, or... God, that was a monster just came out. Whew! Godzilla came out the water just now. Holy shit. Holy fasheezes. But we wait for the monster to strike. Somebody else doing some dangling too. They're doing some chicken liver and some fish. But these guys are like heavyweight boxers. Like I said, you know, besides saltwater, I mean, these are the monsters of the sea. The monsters of the unsalted waters. So we're after the monster, waiting for him to strike at any time. Probably in 5 minutes, we're gonna just watch these rods and see if we can pop us a one. Out here is the channel cat. They're like slick, cool. Oh, I got a hit already. See, these bad boys, they want it. I expected a quick strike. Yep, somebody's striking. Look at it. Bob it, baby. Come on, take it. They plucking at it, man. See if he come back. See somebody plucking me over here. See if he had a striking it. Yep, I got one. Oof, I got a cat. Wow. Come on. This one is, come on, be big. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Oh, that was a quick one. Come on. How big is this thing? Please be big. Oh my God. Okay, he isn't. It's probably a pound, probably 2 pounds, 2-pounder. First strike. That was quick, boy. They want that catfish. Woo! They want that chicken liver, man. I'm telling you, man. First strike. First catfish of the day. 5 minutes. All right. Just grabbing these bad boys. He is chunky. Hey, Chunk Munch. He's a chunky catfish. I thought he was a lot heavier. I gotta check my other rod. Because I put that blood in the water. All right, hold on, buddy. He's a nice sizer. Hope my grandma not watching, because she'd be like, Mario, why you ain't taking that home with you? Could, Grandma, I throw him back. I do it for the fun. He got this thing up in the jaw. I might have to rearrange this to get him out of his mouth. Hold on, buddy. Trying to pop this bad boy out of his jaw. Come on. Get out. All right, we got him free. This is the first catfish, and he is a nice beauty. We're gonna let this bad boy go. Oh, sorry, buddy. That was a bad land. And he is out of here. Number one. Number one of the day. That was a quick strike. Number one catfish of the day. He wasn't much of a fighter. I thought it was a lot bigger than that. But I'll take him. The water gives it to me and I'll take it. It's a nice, beautiful little fish, man. It's fun. It smelled like bass. Should have gave him a good sniffer. But they're good. They're cool looking fish, man. They're beautiful fish. Catfish. All right, let's hook her up again. Ouch, I just stuck myself in the hand. All right. Make sure this is hooked on real good. Get it sauce and simmer for these fish. Get them a good meal while they get hooked. Relax them a little bit. Get drug across the deep. All right. These bad boys are ready to go again. Oh, we are ready to cast into the deep. We're looking for the monster, because the monster is there. We are ready to launch way into the water. We go to Plymouth to catch the beast. All right. Let's see who we can pop again. Ready to let that rod knock. This other one is not doing so well. Not well at all. They smell that blood. Now once that stuff hits his area, just spreads like a cancer. I mean, and they just come to that spot. So that's why it's good if you get a catfish out of one area just keep slinging in that area, man. Cause they're already picking up that scent and they're rushing in to get whatever it is they're smelling. Cause they're like hounds. When they get that scent, it's over. And it's pop time. Let me check over here. Nothing yet popping. Nothing popping over here, man. Poor rod. Trying to get this thing set up. There we go. Rod fell over. We are walking on the rocks. That was not a good setup there. So. There we go. It's ready for the strike again. The battle rages on. Man versus beast. Beast versus man. Who will win the fight today? Catfish number one. Let the rye work for you. The catfishing was a bust, so we're gonna do some extra film.